Did you know that 90% of drivers are essentially throwing money out the window every time they visit a mechanic or a detailer? There are secrets hidden in plain sight, tricks that the pros use themselves but would never dream of telling you. Today I'm pulling back the curtain. One of these hacks alone can stop a $3,000 repair bill dead in its tracks. If you've ever felt like your car is a money pit, it's because you've been overlooked by the industry. Before you hand over your credit card again, let's look at 15 genius hacks that put that cash back in your pocket. Hack number 15, baking soda for car stains. We've all been there. A spilled coffee or a dropped burger leaves a permanent reminder on your upholstery. You take it to a detailer and they quote you $150 to $300 for a deep extraction service. But here is the industry secret: those expensive enzymatic cleaners they use, the primary active ingredient is often a chemical cousin to what's in your pantry. Grab a $2 box of baking soda. Mix 3 parts soda with 1 part water to create a thick paste. Slather it on that stain and let it sit for 30 minutes. As it dries, the chemistry goes to work lifting the pigment out of the fibers and, more importantly, neutralizing the pH levels that cause odors. Scrub it lightly, vacuum it up, and you'll realize you just did a professional's job for pennies. Why don't they tell you? Because they can't charge you $200 for a kitchen staple. Hack number 14, toothpaste tire cleaner. Ever notice how the white lettering on your tires turns a nasty brownish yellow over time? Most tire cleaners at the auto shop are filled with harsh solvents that actually dry out your rubber. A pro detailer will charge you an arm and a leg to restore that look, but you have the solution in your bathroom right now. Plain white toothpaste, not the gel kind, contains mild abrasives and whitening agents designed to polish enamel without scratching it. Apply it to an old toothbrush, hit that lettering in circular motions and rinse. The transformation is instant. It's a $3 fix that makes your car look like it just rolled off the showroom floor. If the pros told you this, they'd lose a high-margin premium detailing upsell. Hack number 13, disconnect battery reset trick. This is the one that keeps mechanics awake at night. Your check engine light pops on, the car starts idling rough, and you're suddenly staring at a $400 diagnostic and sensor replacement quote. But modern cars are essentially computers on wheels, and just like your laptop, they get glitches in the software. Before you buy a single part, disconnect your negative battery terminal for 10 full minutes. This clears the long-term fuel trim and any temporary error loops stored in the ECU. Reconnect it, let it idle for 5 minutes, and often that malfunction disappears entirely. Mechanics do this first, then charge you for the repair. By doing it yourself, you're cutting out the middleman and proving that sometimes the fix is just a fresh start. Hack number 12, olive oil for dashboard shine. Those expensive interior protectants often contain high levels of silicone that leave a greasy residue and eventually cause your dash to crack from heat. Detailers push these because they provide a temporary wow factor. Instead, use a tiny drop of olive oil on a microfiber cloth. It's a natural conditioner that nourishes the plastic and vinyl, restoring that deep factory matte finish without the oily film. It costs practically nothing per application and actually protects the material from drying out. If you've tried this, let me know in the comments. Does your dash look better now than when it was new? Hack number 11, pencil graphite car key fix. If your key is sticking in the ignition or door, don't call a locksmith just yet. That $150 service call is often solved with a 25-cent pencil. Rub the graphite from the pencil tip onto the teeth of your key. Slide it in and out of the lock a few times. Graphite is a dry lubricant, meaning it reduces friction without attracting the dust and grime that liquid oils like WD-40 do. It's the oldest trick in the locksmith's book, and it's the reason they rarely have to actually replace broken locks. Hack number 10, emergency shift lock release. Picture this: your car is running, but the shifter is stuck in park. You're stranded. A tow truck will charge you $200 just to get it to a shop where they'll diagnose a transmission issue. But look closely at your shifter console. See that tiny little plastic tab? Pop it off. Insert your key or a screwdriver to press the shift lock release. This manual override lets you get the car in gear and get home. Often the failure is just a blown $15 brake light switch. Knowing this one hack turns a catastrophic failure into a minor inconvenience you can fix in your driveway. Enjoying these secrets? Hit that like button right now. It tells the algorithm that this information is too valuable to be hidden by the big shops. Hack number 9, WD-40 bugs and tar remover. Love road trips but hate the bug cemetery on your bumper? Commercial bug removers are often overpriced petroleum distillates. WD-40 is essentially the same thing but more versatile. Spray it on, wait 60 seconds and the tar and bugs slide right off. No scrubbing, no scratching the clear coat. It's a $5 solution to a problem dealers charge specialty fees to handle. Hack number 8, change engine air filter. This is the biggest gotcha at the oil change shop. They pull out a dusty filter and tell you your engine is choking, then ask for $60. Listen, an air filter costs $15 at the parts store and takes exactly 60 seconds to swap. No tools required. If you can open a lunchbox, you can change an air filter. Don't pay a professional labor rates for a task that's easier than tying your shoes. Hack number 7, shaving cream windshield defog. Foggy windows aren't just annoying, they're dangerous. Instead of buying anti-fog sprays that streak, use shaving cream. Apply it to the inside of the glass, wipe it around, and buff it off. The surfactants in the cream create a microscopic barrier that prevents moisture from beating into fog. It's a pro tip used by hockey players on their visors, and it works flawlessly on your windshield for about $2 a year. Hack number 6, steering wheel adjustment lever. It sounds simple, but you'd be shocked how many people drive in discomfort because they think their car's fit is permanent. Underneath your steering column is a lever. Pull it, and you can usually move the wheel up, down, in, and out. Dealerships love to upsell power tilt features, but the manual version you already own is faster, more reliable, and best of all, totally free. Hack number 5, magic eraser car interior. Those scuffs on the door panels from your shoes or the grime on the steering wheel, a detailer will spend an hour with chemicals. You can do it in seconds with a magic eraser. It's a melamine foam that acts like extremely fine sandpaper. Just add a little water and watch years of hand oils and scuffs vanish. Just be gentle on leather, let the foam do the work, and you'll save $100 on an interior deep clean. Hack number 4, fuel cap holder gas door. Stop letting your gas cap dangle and scratch your paint. If you look at the inside of your fuel door, there is almost always a dedicated hook or slot. Manufacturers put it there so the cap stays off the paint and out of the dirt. It's a small detail that prevents mystery scratches on your rear quarter panel that would cost $500 to buff out and repaint. Hack number 3, rubber gloves pet hair removal. If you have a dog, you know a vacuum is useless against embedded hair. Instead of paying $1 for a $100 pet package, put on a pair of rubber dishwashing gloves. Run your hand over the carpet. The friction creates static electricity that pulls the hair out of the weave and rolls it into easy-to-grab clumps. It's faster and more effective than any industrial vacuum on the market. Hack number 2, tire chalk test. Is your car actually out of alignment, or is your tire pressure just wrong? Before you spend $120 on an alignment, do the chalk test. Draw a thick line across your tread and drive 20 feet. If the chalk wears off in the middle, you're overinflated. On the edges, underinflated. If it wears evenly, your alignment is fine. This 50-cent test keeps you from being sold a service you don't actually need. Hack number 1, WD-40 battery cleaning. The one reason cars won't start in the morning isn't a dead battery, it's corrosion. That white, crusty powder on the terminals acts as an insulator blocking the electricity. A mechanic will tell you that you need a $200 battery. Instead, spray the terminals with WD-40, let it sit, and scrub it with an old wire brush. It dissolves the corrosion and prevents it from coming back. I've seen this resurrect batteries that were supposedly dead for years. Which of these is going in your glove-a-bucks today? Drop a comment below. I want to know how much money you're saving. If you want to keep your car on the road for 300,000 miles without going broke, hit subscribe. You can't afford to miss the next one. Click this video on your screen right now to see the hidden engine secrets mechanics are still trying to hide.